Aries, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 21st till 27th of September. Okay, so we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. So let's see what is there for my Aries in the coming week from 21st to 27th of September. Please, my tarot angels, guide spirits, please guide me to guide my Aries. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Aries. So this is my new deck, so it is slipping a lot today. Okay. Let's see. For my Aries, please. See, it's slipping, slipping, and slipping. Okay. Five of Swords. A lot of Swords energy is coming up today. Two of Swords with Five of Swords. You might be into some kind of a very, toxic relationship or a toxic situation, I'm saying. Let's see. Okay, so what's going on right now? So Ace of Wands, this is general environment in which you are in. So this might be, the idea which is actually coming up in your mind right now, some kind of a beautiful energy, an idea. This might be a new, to start something new, an idea to start something new, a new job. It might be a new relationship. It can be anything. Okay, so let's see what is the conflict then. Ace of Pentacles. So two aces in a row. So this is, with the ace, it's always about you doing some stuff for yourself, and well, it is Aries. So Aries are all about themselves. So this is something which you are actually working on a lot with your new work. This might be something new. It also it is also asking for investment as well. If this is a new job, if this is a new business, it is also wanting for investment, some kind of money, I would say, because this idea which is actually coming up in your mind is actually something stable. But when things really are stable, it requires money, investments, time as well. So this thing is asking for time and money, which is a little conflict right now with your situation. So what's in the yes, so Seven of Cups in the foundation of the situation. So this is like, you were into many things, so then you took time to choose out of these 7 cups. See, this is the person, he is actually being busy, like which one to choose. So you were busy in choosing, like you really took time for this particular thing, and you were really into, like, okay, so how can I choose in front of all these? So it was really difficult. So that is the foundation. You were in that confusion, in that illusion, which one to choose. If you will choose this, you might get into trouble. You don't know at the end, like, what is there inside which cup. You don't know. It's you who has to choose. So you chose this thing, you decided to do. So let's see what is in the past situation. Page of Swords. So this Page of Swords over here is telling me that this thing was really a new this was really out of the mind situation for you. You never expected this thing to happen, and it was like you really worked on this because you were actually preparing. Because Page of Swords is a person who is really new to the school. When you start studying, you are new in this thing. So you started, you thought about it, you gave it a chance, and you said, okay, let's start it then. Yeah, you were really confused to start it when you actually thought of it, but you found curiosity, you found engagement in this thing, and then your curiosity made you to take a step over here. What's in your mind? Judgment. So your mind, your goals, your purpose, it's all about a beautiful new beginning. This is the, see how this such a beautiful card. This lady is actually standing and her soul is dancing. So your brain knows that it will take you to higher, to greater heights. That this situation, it might be a marriage situation for some of you, a relationship, new commitment with someone, a new job, whatever this is. But from inside, your mind is also telling you that yes, it will give you a lot of, it will take you to greater heights. That's how I can put it. What's the future? Eight of Pentacles. See, your work is actually giving you this thing. This Ace of Pentacles with Ace of Wands is actually giving you the Eight of Pentacles, the future situation. All your efforts, all your time is actually coming up. See how this person is busy. So Eight of Pentacles is also being busy. You don't even have time to do something else. So your hard work, your hard work from the scratch is actually paying off in future. See, things take time. With the Eight of Pentacles, things will not be easy because Seven of Pentacles will be there before Eight of Pentacles. And with the Seven of Pentacles, it requires time. It requires time to grow within yourself, grow within the whatever work you have started. Okay, so how you see yourself? The High Priestess. Wow. So you are tuning into the process. You are making it work. You are listening to your intuitions. You are doing just the best way you can do to make this work a big success. That is what you are doing. You are tuning into the success. That's the best way I can put it. How people see you as the World card. Wow. So people see you as someone who will achieve success. This might be a success worldwide. People see you as someone who is not just someone just like that, who is actually, who is meant to do this kind of stuff. If this is a love relationship, so people around you, they actually see you as someone who actually completes the work, completes the task given, give 100% to a situation, gives 100% to a commitment. A very positive card, like how people see you. So this is really good. Lessons you need to learn. Nine of Wands. So this is the universe messages, like you do not have to fear. Okay, over here with the Nine of Wands, see, you are tired. I can see that, I hear it. But what lessons you need to learn, like how much tired you are. You have to move on. You have to go on. Sometimes you feel exhausted. Sometimes you feel that I am standing over here from last so many years and I am doing my work, but it is not worth. Because Eight of Pentacles in the future card, it is coming towards you, but you do not have to lose hope. All you can do is give your 100%. Do not lose hope. Do not lose faith. And you will achieve the success. Just don't be that gold digger over there. Diamond mine, in diamond mines, there was a story, like you just stop when it was just a 1 inch deep. That diamond mine was there, I guess. I don't remember the exact story, but yes, do not just leave your situation there. Okay, the final outcome, the Fool. So see, after the World card, we have the Fool as well in your reading. So this means that when you actually complete a process, you start the new beginning. And I can see that over here with two aces as well as the Fool, and with the World, with the Judgment. You have major arcanas as well. So you're beginning a new life. You are starting a new way to live your life, and this is really beautiful. And with the Eight of Pentacles, with the success, when you will achieve that success, when you will achieve that thing, if this is the person you want to know, you want in your life, when you will get that person, all you are going to do is start a new life, a new beginning with someone. This might be a leap of faith as well. You are just entering into a relationship or into anything, but at least you wanted it and you are getting it. Okay, so this is really beautiful, Aries, that you always want to start something new. It's always because of you. It is because you want it. It's because you actually need this. That is why you are doing it, because you are the one who is actually manifesting it, attracting it towards you, these all beautiful energies. All right, Aries, so that is all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.